apps need to communicate, and so do the n8n nodes. Imagine two people, one German and French. They cannot communicate easily, so they need a common language like English to speak effectively. JSON or JavaScript Object Notation is like this common language for apps. So different apps can understand each. There are other language formats too, like HTML and XML, that systems and apps use to share information. But JSON has become one of the most widely used common languages, both in n8n and in modern apps, because it's simple and structured. JSON stores data in key value pairs, much like an ID card. The key is the label, name, age, address. The value is the actual information stored in those labels. For example, Jane, 29 years, Ontario. And even though most apps communicate through JSON, they all structure their data differently. And just like an airport officer only requires the information that really matters, like your passport or travel permit, apps also exchange only the data that's needed for effective communication. And although you, as a person, might have plenty of other interesting details, like a strange phobia of spiders or a love for neon colors, that information would only be relevant to a psychologist or a colorist, not to the officer at the gate. For example, if a location is shared in WhatsApp and we want to use it in maps, we don't need the entire chat or media, just the coordinates. WhatsApp's JSON might include messages, contacts, media, and location, while maps only care about latitude and longitude. In the same way, apps only share data that's relevant to the specific context. Traditionally, developers used APIs and other middleware to pass this data. In n8n, we use nodes like set or function to transform, filter, and format it. And since most workflow errors happen due to JSON key value mismatches, understanding JSON is important to build workflows and debug effectively.